Well, I'm Doug Armstrong, and my wife Kathy and I are owners of 4A Farms Incorporated in Atchison, Kansas. Live on the same farm all my life, and Kathy and I have 4 children, 9 grandchildren, and 1 great-grandson. So we've been very blessed. When I was 14 years old, I rented my first farm and bought my first tractor. And if you do the math, that's about 55 years ago. So been at it for quite a little while. As time went on, I was able to purchase a farm, and in 1980, Kathy and I got married, and she continued to help on the farm as well as working off the farm for the state of Kansas. Like I say, I've been at it for quite a few years and think it's time to change our operations somewhat and our lifestyle, and so we're offering a nice lineup of farm equipment. And I want to thank Mike and Ron and BigIron for helping us put it all together, and they've been a great asset, and hoping to have a good auction. So we're offering on the auction, I guess number one, have a Case IH 8230 combine. It's been serviced just a year ago. It went through the shop at Can-Equip in Wamego, Kansas. It's run about 250 to 300 acres since then. Also offering a really nice New Holland T8030 with around 4,000 some hours on it. Front wheel assist, really nice clean tractor. Kenzie 1631 split row planter. I have a almost brand new litter spreader here for sale. But you know, like every farm, we got some stuff that's well used, but it's well taken care of, and I have the confidence that you can buy that kind of equipment and make a good living with it.